NICE EEM Release 8.6 includes a redesigned user experience of the web-based application for administrators called Program Manager. Program Manager empowers administrators to independently configure entities associated with programs and other EEM settings. Program Manager groups together everything you must configure when creating a new program. These items are listed on the navigation bar in the order you must configure them. There are also items you can configure for a program but are not mandatory. These items are listed under optional configurations. This video explains one of the features of Program Manager: Programs. The Programs page displays information about the entities associated with each program and provides you with the ability to add new programs. Let's start by looking at the information on the Programs page. Click Program Manager, Programs. To filter the data by LOB, select one from the LOB drop-down menu. To filter the data by program, select one from the Program Name drop-down list. Above the table, you see the number of programs for the displayed LOBs and the total number of agents, imported from NICE WFM, that are assigned to all those programs' MUs. In the table for each program displayed, you see the total number of agents assigned to all the program's MUs, the number of MUs assigned to the program, the number of CTs assigned to the program, the number of skills assigned to the program's CTs, and the number of sites the program has. Now let's create a new program. Click Add Program, select the LOB to assign the program to, enter a name for the program. Remember, you cannot use the name of an existing or deleted program. Click Submit. The program was created. Click the Edit icon to display the Configure Program page for your new program. The Configure Program page has 4 tabs. The General tab allows you to change the name of the program. The Management Units tab allows you to manage MUs associated with the program. The Contact Types tab allows you to manage CTs associated with the program, and the Skills tab allows you to manage the skills assigned to each of the program CTs. The Management Units tab displays the MUs already associated with this program and the MUs available to associate to it. MUs associated to another program do not display because you can only assign an MU to one program. To associate an MU to the program, click the checkbox in the Associate to Program column. To remove an MU from the program, click the X in the Remove Association column. The MU is removed immediately, even without clicking Submit. To save the updated associations, click Submit. Remember, the changes do not take effect until the next nightly import of data from NICE WFM. The Contact Types tab displays the CTs already associated with this program and the CTs available to associate to it. CTs associated to another program do not display. To associate a CT to the program, click the checkbox in the Associate to Program column. To remove a CT from the program, click the X in the Remove Association column. The CT is removed immediately, even without clicking Submit. To save the updated associations, click Submit. Remember, the changes do not take effect until the next nightly import of data from NICE WFM. Each CT needs agents with specific skills, for example, language skills or technical skills, to perform the duties of that CT. The Skills tab displays all the CTs assigned to the program, the skills associated with the CT, and the number of agents with the skill the CT requires at all times. Setting the required minimum number of agents with this skill prevents the CT from having too few agents staffed for the skill. To associate skills to a CT, click Associate Skills. Drag a CT from the Contact Types box and drop it in the gray box. The Skills box has all the active skills for this program. Drag the skills to associate with the CT from the Skills box to the white box of the appropriate CT. Remember, each skill can be associated to only one CT. You can remove skills and CTs by clicking X next to the entity you want to remove. Click Submit. Enter the required minimum number of agents with each skill the CT must have at all times. Click Submit. Now that you have associated all the entities the program needs, you need to configure the parameters for the program. To do this, click the plus in the Settings column of the program you want to configure. The Program Settings page includes sections for 4 types of parameters: parameters for the program itself, parameters for the agent portal for agents in this program, parameters for agent self-service, and whether to enable surge staffing for extra hours opportunities. Enter the setting for each of the parameters. Click Submit. To make changes to any of the entities associated to a program, click the Edit icon in the Edit column. To edit the parameter settings for a program, click the plus icon in the Settings column. To delete a program, click the X in the Delete column. Remember, you can only delete a program after removing all MUs and CTs associated with the program. After associating all the necessary entities and setting the parameters for your new program, you must configure the other items listed under Program Manager in the order they are listed. Click Activity Codes to map activity codes to determine how EEM updates WFM, interprets schedules from WFM, and reports on schedule activities. Click Break and Lunch to create and associate break and lunch templates to each of the program sites. Click Hours of Operation to define the hours of operation for each day of the week for each site and skill combination for the program. Click LOB Distribution List to manage the distribution lists for the program. These email lists are used to notify a group of people when a particular event occurs. Click Mobile Access to define whether agents can use the NICE EEM Agent mobile app and whether to allow EEM to send SMS messages to agents for each of the program sites. Click Site to define the time zone and the number of agents the site can accommodate for each of the program sites. For more information on Program Manager, refer to the Administrator User Guide, the NUG website at www.niceusergroup.org, and the NICE EEM Break and Lunch Templates video.